see three choppers! Three serious-looking choppers! Right there! Drop altitude! Drop quick! Give me an angle I can shoot them from! This is it! This is it, assholes! Keep it level! Alright, you pricks! Here it comes! Woo! Did Daddy do that to you? They ain't gonna follow us through the wind farm. Open up the angle so I can get a shot! Keep it still! I'm going for it! Lift the crash! Make up... You sure you can handle an RPG? The noob tube? Ha! You hold it steady, get me an angle, they're gone. I see three choppers. Right there. All right. Let him go. I thought I had it. Reload. Hold it here. I'll take the shot. You sure you can use that thing? You know how much these rockets cost? They won't follow me through the windmills. Steady! Steady! I'm firing! Nope! Again! Reloading! This angle isn't working. Swing it round. We're still too high. Letting go! Hold it steady! Hold it steady! This is it! This is it, assholes! Missed! There's a kick on that thing! I can't shake him! I can't shake him! All right, you pricks! Here it comes! Hit him with the next one! You assholes! There goes half the metal! cargo, and I'll take it to the warehouse. Package 2 is down. Package 1 was lost. Take us to the airfield. The Merryweather Channel's dead. They're not sending anyone else. We're out. Well, we did it. We did half of it. The other half crashed out in the scrub. Half of it's more gold than you could ever dream of. I dream big. And you know, it might divide up easier if you took a tumble, bully. The others make it out? I don't know. I'll check. M? F, you there? You make it out? No cops, no Merryweather. We're out of town. Yeah, looks like we made it. Hey, you guys cool? We picked up a new car and we almost to the airfield. Put her down.
Oh yeah!
We fucking did it! We did it! Ow! Woo!
Right
What's
here,
up,
get it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Huh?
We're good.
Wow. You are one serious fucking buzzkill. Where's the rest of the crew?
Jesus, you don't even realize the people you employed are dead. You probably knew about it.
And the medal?
Gone!
Okay, can we just get moving?
Hey, look, dawg. I'm gonna get the car up out of here, all right?
You two come with me. That way there's no confusion. Everybody knows where the gold is.
All right, look, hey. We pulled this fucker off. We should be proud.
Pride before fall. Sugar, you know that. Now, come on! At least with you and the bird, I know I ain't gonna get shot at by your buddies.